Kia ora, I'm David Chester with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news with some major set-piece central bank meetings this week, and there is a growing feeling that each will try to challenge investors' expectations of a 2024 interest rate cut. But first, American consumer inflation expectations for the year ahead fell to 3.4% in November, the lowest level since April 2021. That is down from 3.6% in the prior month, and aligns with a number of separate private consumer surveys that have picked up a disinflation trend in the US economy. Disinflation is falling positive inflation. Deflation is where prices are actually falling. But it is not only inflation that is reducing, US Treasury bond yields are too. Today there were two major bond auctions there. The 3-year note was well supported with $121 billion offered for the $50 billion available. Investors won that with a median yield of 4.43%, which was down from the 4.65% of the previous equivalent auction a bit more than a month ago. And it was a similar story for their 10-year bond. Today, $94 billion was bid for $37 billion available, so again well supported. Today's median yield was 4.22%, and that compares with 4.44% at the prior equivalent auction 5 weeks ago when $40 billion was available. In Japan, the latest official sentiment survey for large businesses there has revealed fast-rising optimism, their best in 2 years. Locally, inflation pressures are easing too. The Infometrics Foodstuffs Grocery Cost Index monitoring reports prices rose 4.8% in November from a year ago, the first sub-5% annual increase since March 2022. Recall that for the 3-year period 2019 to 2022, grocery prices rose overall less than 2%, so the annual levels remain unusually high, even if they are moderating fast. And we should note that the aluminium price has fallen to its lowest level since April 2021. The US Treasury 10-year yield is firmer today on secondary markets at 4.27% and up 4 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at just on $1,982 an ounce. That's down $23 from yesterday. And oil prices are down 50 cents at just on $71 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just over $75.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at just on 61.2 US cents and unchanged from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're up 10 basis points at 93.3 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're still at 56.9 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 70.3, 10 basis points higher than this time yesterday. Get more news about the New Zealand economy from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.